Relatable.
Two Walls versus Jesse Bald competitive players. Oh my god! No! No! Let me go! Let me go! Come on, we'll make a fortress.
Leave me alone! This is my bed! Okay.
Your bed.
Where's that?
It's coming! It's coming!
What Taylor's hat?
I'm dead.
I'm woke.
I'm the billboard! The billboard shoot at the jelly! No! Ah! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! No, no!
You're on the burger for content. Alright guys, you're on the burger. Okay, why are you not for
Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Why did his son go to the floor? He's getting eaten! Just
I'm in my Xbox menu.
Punch me if you want me to join into your fight.
Step out close again.
Holy shit, we got some anti.
Oh no! Damn, that was like long. Jeez.
Oh shit!
Hold on.
Oh no.
I have the killers. Don't
This is awkward.
Wait, I wish I could see that live. Yo. No.
I did a backflip.
I just shot myself. No! Kazam! Boom!
Oh.
No! I grabbed the loot!
This is awkward.
That
Oh, what?
me!
One
Stop! If I die before the fucking nut! Yeah, I won!
Yeah. Special ability is.
Oh my fucking god.
It's just that rabbit, man.
Oh!
What?
What? That is not
How?
all good, man! Jump for it!
Don't do it.
I mean,
Do
yes,
it, Xavier. Go do it. Do it.
No! He's got me in the booty! This is the last straw, man!
Oh my god. That's not all good, man. You're going to.
Oh, we're gonna have to blow this part out. You're done.
Ultra mega.
If you walk into those burgers, you're dead. Ow!
Batman! Why would you do this to me, Batman?
Oh my god!
Worst roller coaster accidents of 2023?
Shut up!
4K late? Ow. My hat. Okay, get up there first. Alright. Out there first. No, I'm getting I have to.
Ow!
I'm not actually. No!
Don't mind me.
Come on! Drown!
Jeffrey!
Drown! Can only go one way. Oh! Oh! I'm done with this game.
I'm sorry, Taylor. I have to do it.
You guys have fun.
You're coming with me. You come. Oh!
You guys realize that I
Taylor!
win, right?
Taylor, yes! Yes, get rid of the boards. Get rid of the board.
The video!
That's the thumbnail! That's the thumbnail! The thumbnail is Wyatt's distorted face.
Hold up, where's Taylor?
I'm chasing you!
Well, where's Wyatt?
He's dead!
But how? Is he actually there?
You're dead now! Burn!
I'm taking you with me!
What?
Alright, No!
Yeah, you're done! You're dead. No! You're dead!
What the fuck?
Oh
Don't take my back. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come
no!
on.
No!
Oh
My
God.
spidey
Let-
suit! Ah! No!
No.
Yeah!
Alright, let's go.
On.
A film without Wyatt? Leave me alone!
Wyatt's internet probably shit itself again.
I think he rage quitted over the photo.
No, don't start it. I don't want to be a woman.
Just started, I don't want to be a woman.